Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Which one do you prefer? Welcome to a new Bitcoin update. Can someone please do something to BT so we can have more things to talk about? Please and thank you. Because guess what? We are still in the same range from the start of February. But there is something interesting now. If we zoom out a little and go on a daily chart, we have here a nice channel, which is a downtrend channel, this one right here, which, as you can see, stopped the price very nicely where we are now. As you'll see in our next educational video from this weekend, when price is in a range or a consolidation, more often than not, it will do some fake out moves before finally breaking out. The same thing applies to a downtrend channel or a simply trend line. Why this happens? Because a consolidation is full of liquidity. Buy-side liquidity stops from short sellers and sell-side liquidity stops from long traders. And because neither sellers or buyers are in control. So what does the market do? It moves into those areas, triggers stop losses, fills large orders, and trap breakout traders. Then once liquidity is taken, price often reverses back into the range. This is what happens with a trend line like this one. Because many people expect a breakout, they end up being just a liquidity grab. But once she manages to break out of a trend line or a channel like this one here, we'll most likely see an impulsive move because everyone will FOMO into longs. And as we can see, until our first resistance zone, which is the macro 382 from all-time high to the last low around 85k, the move is pretty thin, so price can travel fast up there. Now let's have a look on a lower time frame and see if everything changed so far. Zooming in a little, we have our range here. As we can see, our Fib algo have stopped the price alongside with the channel. I'm not interested in this Fib algo anymore, so I will remove it. Let's update the volume profile and see if anything has changed here. Point of control, value area low, pretty much the same. So locally, in terms of support, even though we still have the golden pocket here in a nice area with point of control, value area low, and EQ of the range, because of how many times she tested this zone as support, and because of all the liquidity grabs she created down here, I don't think this one would hold for much longer if she goes down again. So the only level I'm still interested in here is the 886. Here, a bounce from this zone here without taking the lows of February will be a not so nice move, let's say, because I'm not allowed to use bad words. And that is because she'll leave everyone sidelined waiting for a swing failure pattern of the main low. For swing trades, the same area as support, the macro golden pocket from bear market lows to all-time high. Nothing until there. For resistance, if she finally manages to break out of this range and channel, we might finally see a real breakout. And the first zone of resistance, as we spoke about, is 83-85k zone with golden pocket and the macro 382. This is a pretty thin zone area here, so I don't have any levels between here and there to update you now. If anything changes during the week, I will update you on my Spitfire Discord corner and on X, so make sure you follow us. I will see you at the end of the week with the new educational video, the best strategy for sideways markets, ranges. And until then, have a great trading week. Bye bye!